To restore the wiper arms on any car, I recommend you to remove them from the car because controlling paint overspray can be difficult and it will require you to cover most of the hood and windshield. I use the 17mm socket, but it can be different for other cars. For restoring the wiper arms, you will need Anticorosive primer spray can, Satin black paint spray can, Isopropyl alcohol or something similar, 600 grit sandpaper and 1 microfiber cloth. After you have taken the wiper arm off the vehicle, you need to remove the wiper blade. Depending on the model of your vehicle, the blade assembly will be clipped on or held in place by another type of fastener. Clean the wiper arms with some alcohol. After you cleaned the surface, sand it down with a very fine grit, wet or dry paper. This will give the primer a good bond and ultimately the paint will sit right on the wiper arms. Now the wiper arm will need to be cleaned with alcohol very well so the primer and paint adheres. Before using any spray can, you need to shake it at least 2 or 3 minutes. After you shaked it well, you can start priming the first layer. Hold the can about 10-12 inches or 25-30 centimeters away from the wiper arm and spray a very light dusting of primer over the surface in a smooth back and forth motion. Leave the part to dry for 30 minutes. After it's fully dried, turn over the arms and prime the underside too. Now you can prime the second layer. After it's fully dried, turn over the arms and start painting them. When you paint the wiper arm, make sure the primer has dried sufficiently. Shake the can well for a few minutes and start painting the first layer and let it dry for minimum 30 minutes. The method of application is identical to priming. You want to build up layers rather than apply one thick heavy layer. After it's fully dried, you can apply the second layer of paint. After the second layer is dried, you can turn over the arms and start applying the first layer of paint on this side also. Let them dry well. When you apply the paint, initially it's very glossy, but when it's drying it turns matte. Now you can apply the second layer of paint. After it's dried, also check and apply some paint to the hinge closed angles. Now you can apply the third layer of paint. After you finish painting the wiper arm, allow it to dry well before handling. Now you can reinstall the wiper arm on the car. reattach the wiper blade or install a new blade if necessary, and now this is the final result. They look like new, and I hope to last longer after 2 layers of primer and 3 layers of paint. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.